A fruit does not stay on the tree. It grows, it ripens, it becomes visible, and then it leaves. Not because it rejects the tree, but because staying would limit its life. The fruit cannot walk, so it becomes something that can be moved. Sweet, attractive, noticeable. It is carried by birds, by animals, by people. Movement is built into the system because without movement, there is no continuation. Under the mother tree, there is shade. The seed may sprout there, but it will struggle because growth does not happen in the shadow. Growth requires light, and light requires space. A mother says, "My child did not wish me Happy Mother's Day." And there's discomfort in that. But the child is not thinking about the mother. The child is becoming, learning, exploring, moving towards life. Like the fruit, he is preparing for distance. Bra Peter says, connection is not the problem. False connection is the problem. Connection based on control is not connection. Connection based on expectations is not connection. Connection based on performance is not connection. That is the shadow. The work of the parent is not to be celebrated. It is not to be rewarded. It is to prepare the fruit, to make it capable, to make it adaptable, to make it strong enough to leave your shadow. But humans are different. A child may not see you today, may not thank you today, may not understand you today. That is also truth. Understanding comes with time. A successful tree is not surrounded by fruit. It is surrounded by other trees, standing on their own, far from the shadow, alive in the same light. Bra Peter says, prepare them to leave your shadow and build a connection that can survive the light. We give thanks to the Most High. Aloha Ramaseiti. Danke san.